enter the world of endless opportunities, with complete freedom of choice, where you can do anything you would imagine. Meet GAIA Multitool, a unique device with a beautiful design. GAIA Multitool allows you to use virtually any manufacturing technology in just one device to help you make your ideas come true. Now you can do what you want, not what your machine is able to do. GAIA has 10 interchangeable tool heads. It can 3D print from clay and ceramics, as well as from common thermoplastics like ABS and PLA, mills models from wood, engraves them with laser, cuts out foil, makes inscriptions on metal and glass with diamond stylus, and even writes with pencil or pen. Free your imagination. Materialize your needs with just one device.